So today is my niece's sweet 16. We're here setting up. It's a Paris theme, as you can kind of sort of see over there. We're in the early stages. I'm in the process of blowing up some balloons. I'm going to be making a balloon wall. Now I don't know if I'm going to be able to record the process, but yeah. We are trying to transform this space, but we'll get there. We're getting there. Not quite yet. So this is about half of the balloons that I'm using.
I gotta come back to the house. I'll be able to come back.
But I'm just gonna start constructing.
And bring your stuff here.
Because I'm running out of space and I don't want like the particles on the floor to be popping the balloons because it already happened with one. So yeah, I'm just gonna start constructing. So I constructed 2 balloon garlands. It's hard to see where they end, but they end right about there, like right there. And these are the rest of the balloons. I'm going to do 1 or 2 more to fill the space in between those 2 piping groups over there. So I'll be back. So this is where I am. I put 3 columns up, tied them to, it's hard to see the official line, but you can kind of see it. I tied it here, there, and 1 back there. So I have 3. I'm gonna have to use the fishing wire to like level it out and get them in a good order. Trying to decide if I want to do 1 more at the bottom. I don't know yet, but I want to pull this together, get it right. Unfortunately, there's like, I don't have a tripod right now, so I can't like set it up to like record me doing this. But I just want to show you guys my process. I'll be back in a few. So this is where we are. So this is the wall. There's some spaces at the bottom, but I'm not worried about it. I'm okay with it. My sister's okay with it. Maybe in that one corner I might put that big balloon here. This balloon here, I may put it in this corner. But I like the roughness of the look of it. So yeah, we're happy with it. And the space is transformed as much as we could. It's a huge space, so. But yeah, so nice. My niece is gonna be so happy, and we're still not done anyway.
Give us a subscribe, hit that button.